Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta salad cold. First, cook your pasta al dente according to package directions, usually for about 8 to 10 minutes. This ensures it holds its shape and texture when chilled. Immediately after cooking, rinse the pasta under cold running water for about 30 seconds to halt the cooking process. Then, drain it very well to prevent a watery salad later on. To cool your pasta rapidly, spread it out in a thin, single layer on a large baking sheet. This maximizes surface area exposure to the air. Place the sheet in your refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes, stirring once or twice. For an even quicker chill, immerse the drained pasta in an ice bath for 5 to 7 minutes, then drain it again very thoroughly. Once your pasta is completely cool, it's time to combine it with your favorite dressing and other ingredients. Gently mix everything together, ensuring the dressing coats every piece of pasta and all components are evenly distributed. This step is crucial for flavor development. After mixing, cover the pasta salad tightly and refrigerate it for a minimum of 2 hours. This allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For the best experience, serve your pasta salad directly from the refrigerator. The cold temperature enhances the refreshing flavors and crispness of the ingredients. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 3 days to maintain freshness. Remember to give it a quick stir before serving again. And for more great deals, including the Echo Dot smart speaker, check out the link in the description below, along with other fantastic offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.